So this is a tutorial on how to make a Guttman chart. So we're just in the Learning Hub and we went to the digital learning and the digital survey for the staff, and we're just getting out of Google Drive the ICT staff survey. So we're going to go to File, and in File there'll be a download button, and we're going to download as a Microsoft Excel document. Open it and then wait patiently. So it'll open itself. At this point you could save it if you wanted, but what we're going to do is I'm just going to make sure, well, I'm going to go to the end and I'm going to sum up all the numbers in that row first. So how we're going to do that is we'll highlight all the numbers in one row. We'll go to the formulas tab first, and we're going to use the auto sum, but first of all we need to highlight all these. So we're just going to go across, highlight all the numbers in that first row, and then press auto sum. And what will happen at the end is you'll have a sum of all the numbers in that row. Now to fill down, all you've got to do is drag it so you just get that little cross, drag down, and you'll get a lovely little row of numbers there. And then we're going to auto sum the vertical as well. So highlight all those, auto sum, and it will just auto sum down to that next one. And the same thing, so you just drag across. So once we've done all that, what we're going to do next is we're going to do some sorting. So I'm going to select all my numbers and names, and I'm going to sort. So go to data, go to AZ sort, and I'm just going to go sort in descending order, and that will just sort from largest to smallest. And then I need to sort these bottom ones as well from largest to smallest. So I pick up that bottom row and I pick up, don't pick up the names this time, but I pick up everything else, and then I go to sort, and this time I'm going to press custom sort, and I need to go to options and sort left to right, and then I need to change the row. So the row I'm wanting is the bottom row, which is row 34. And when I pick row 34, I get the option of largest to smallest. And then I'm going to click OK. And now all I have to do is some conditional formatting. So I'm going to basically format it so if it's a 1, it's one colour, and if it's 0, another colour. So highlight all the 1s and 0s. Go to, not really sure which button to go to, so instead I'm going to go up the top to where it says format. We'll go there eventually. Still can't find it, still can't find it. Give up, go to format and go to conditional formatting. And I'm going to, current selection, I'm going to add a rule. And the rule that I'm going to add is that if a number is 0, it's going to be one colour, which is green. No, yep, no, red. And if the number is 1, it's going to be green. Okay. Okay. And you'll see that you've got lots of green. It doesn't really look like a lot at the moment. I need to just clean it up a little bit. So to clean it up a little bit, I'm actually going to what am I going to do? Oh, I'm going to just check that I've done the sort right. No, I have done the sort right. I'm going to actually make the columns finer or smaller so I can see what's going on a little bit better, so it's not quite so wide. So I've just highlighted them all and I'm just dragging. So that looks a little bit better. But now I can't see the question, so the last little bit of formatting I can do is just highlight the question row, go to the alignment, so that little ABC, and put it counterclockwise. Now it looks really silly, but what I can do is I can just make that a bit wider, and you can start seeing that it's just a little bit easier to see. And I think I also need some borders on that just to make it look a bit better. If we go down to border options, and I select all the vertical borders, it will look much better. So now you can see where we probably need to do some work and where we don't need to do some work. And that's the process of making a Guttman chart for some of your data.